Assalamu alaikum. Alijan from Government College University Lahore is here. So today we'll be learning about the concept of a mole, and let's start with it. And in the end, I would be asking two questions from you, and would be getting an idea how whether you got cleared about the concept of a mole or not. And wait for that questions, and I hope so you would be getting the answers by yourself and won't go anywhere else to figure out the answers. Let's say you go to a grocery shop and you ask for 1 kg potatoes. 1 kg potatoes, 1 kg potatoes, or you say that 2 liters of 2 liters of orange juice, and you say 3 dozens of eggs. Probably you would be getting these things in few minutes, and but also you say that probably you would be getting the things in few minutes, but in the end you say that 1 mole, you ask for 1 mole of salt. Now what is this? Now what is these things all about? I hope so you got it clear. These are the units to measure the things. Like kg is the unit to measure things in quantity, and same is the case with liters, dozens, and mole. But why we use the mole? When we use the concept of mole, we use it in chemical language. Basically, 1 mole is equal to 1 mole is equal to 1 mole is equal to molecular mass or atomic mass of that particular compound we are talking about. And what is that? If we are talking about NaCl, so we would be having the molecular formula of NaCl, and what the NaCl accounts here. NaCl accounts here uh, NaCl accounts here, like sodium accounts for 23 and chlorine accounts for 35.5. Now it makes 58.5 grams, probably nearly 58. And what is 1 mole of water? 1 mole of water is like 1 mole of H2O is like, what is the molecular formula of water? It's H2O. And what is the molecular mass of H2O? It becomes 2 for hydrogen and 16 for oxygen, and it becomes 18 grams. Now if you go to a grocery shop and you ask for 1 mole of salt, you would be saying 58.5 grams, because we show the molecular mass in grams, and that becomes 1 mole. 1 mole of O2 becomes 32 grams. And now if we talk about how many particles are there in 1 mole of a particular compound, so we are having a formula for number of particles, and that formula is equal to mass of 1 mole and divided by molar mass of that particular compound. Let's say NaCl, we are talking about NaCl, so that becomes 58 grams divided by 58, and this 58 is 58 times more than one hydrogen atom, one hydrogen. And you probably having an idea that one hydrogen is equal to the mass of one hydrogen is the mass of one hydrogen is 1.67 into 10 to raise power minus 24 grams. And when we put the value of this one hydrogen atom over there, we get 58 divided by 58 into its 58.5 into 1.67 into 10 to raise power minus 24, we get 6.02 into 10 to raise power 23 particles present in 1 mole of salt. That becomes 58.5 grams. 58.5 grams is the quantity, and these are the molecules that are present in. And this idea was given by a scientist named as Avogadro. And this is the concept of a mole. Now I would be showing you an example of how one mole looks, particularly NaCl. So this is one mole. This is a 1 mole of NaCl. You could be saying that uh, that what is like this is 58.58. It's almost 58.5. Mass of container is subtracted, and this is 58.5 grams of NaCl, and this is 1 mole. When you are doing things in chemical lab, you would be saying that 1 mole, you would be talking in chemical language. But when you will be going to the grocery shop, you will not be asking about 1 mole of NaCl or water. This is 18 grams, and this becomes like 1 mole of water. And this is like this beaker has 18 grams of water, and the mass of container is subtracted, you know that. And 18 grams is equal to 6.02 into 10 to raise power 23. These are the particles that are present in 18 grams, because 18 is the molecular mass, and we show molecular mass in grams, that becomes equal to 1 mole. And I hope so you got it very much clear about the concept of a mole. And with that being said, I don't need your subscription, but I just want you to learn things very easily, very quickly, and the basic concepts. And if you like the idea of making these videos, subscribe to my channel. But otherwise, I don't need any one subscription, but I just want to share the knowledge, and I'll keep doing that. So with that being said, take good care of yourself, because you are precious for yourself, you are precious for your family, you are precious for this planet. And with that being said, take good care of yourself. See you in the next video. Till then, I'm signing off. To now we come to the first question. The first question is that what is the mass of 1 mole of sodium carbonate? I hope so you would be solving it by yourself. What is the mass of 1 mole of sodium carbonate? And the second question is that how many moles are present in how many moles are present in 140 grams of 140 grams. Oh, this auto making me making the things difficult for me and consuming my time. Grams of nitrogen gas. So I hope so you would be answering the questions very easily, and do it by yourself. and comment the answers of these two questions. Thank you.